Hey guys, what's up? Levi here, and today I found some of these Series 2 Harry Potter minifigures to build and open up, and let's get on with that now. Now these are kind of getting hard to find, but I found about 3 of these at the store, and at one store I found 3 more in another store. The other 3 would be in another video, but let's get on and open these. Let's see who we got in the first one. I know, not the ideal way to open these. And be careful of knives, kids. Knives. Ooh, I got a good one. I got Dumbledore. And this one's awesome because of the phoenix he has. At the end of the video, we'll go more over all these, but this is just a kind of chill video. I don't think I've done a Harry Potter video in a little while. Harry Potter's my favorite theme, but yeah. The first one we got is Dumbledore. Now on to the second one. Be careful with blades and knives and stuff, people. Oh, we got Bellatrix. I don't like Bellatrix as a character, but you know. Are all the pieces? Okay. But this one's pretty cool. I can use the extra torso for Azkaban, like soldiers. I'm not soldiers. People in Azkaban. And I love this hairpiece though. The figure is more interesting than the character herself, but you know, that's just how it is. Yeah, and we got Bellatrix now. Now I bet you all have seen videos about these before, so I already have the whole series, but figured out why not have a few extras. And wow, I got a bunch of, all 3 of them are sloped characters in dresses or robes. The next one's Professor Sprout. And she's really, really cool. I think she's better than the version in the book sets. It's always cool to get another Mandrake. I think it's weird that they changed the Mandrake up from the last version. And yeah, here we go. We got Professor Sprout. Now let's take a closer look and look at them in detail. So here are the 3 figures we got in this pack opening, and I've already reviewed these figures in another video, so I'm not going to go over them here, but I like the hair hat combo for Professor Sprout, and I love Dumbledore, the whole figure actually, and I especially love the phoenix that Dumbledore has, Fox. And Bellatrix is okay to get another version of. Until next time, laters.